Road safety refers to the measures and practices adopted to reduce accidents and ensure the safe movement of pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicle users. With the rapid growth of population and vehicle, road accidents have become a major public health and social concern, especially in developing countries like India. The primary cause of road accidents include overspeeding, drunk driving, distracted driving due to mobile phones, violation of traffic rules, and poor road conditions. Lack of awareness and irresponsible behavior amongst drivers further increases the risk of fatal accidents. Pedestrians and cyclists are often the most vulnerable victims of road mishaps. Road safety is shared responsibility of individuals, society and government. Individuals must strictly follow traffic rules, wear helmets and seat belts, avoid alcohol while driving and maintain discipline on road. Parents and schools should educate children about basic traffic rules and safe road behavior from early age. The government plays an important role by improving road infrastructure, installing traffic signals, enforcing strict laws, and conducting awareness campaigns. Advanced technologies such as speed cameras, traffic monitoring system, and emergency response service can significantly reduce accident rates. Proper road lighting, signboards, and pedestrian crossing also contributes to safer roads. Another crucial aspect of road safety is emergency care. Quick medical assistance to accident victims can save many lives. Training people in basic first aid and strengthening ambulance service can reduce fatalities during the golden hour after accident. In conclusion, road safety is not just a rule based system but a matter of social responsibility and human life. A small mistake on road can lead to irreversible loss. By adopting disciplined behavior, respecting traffic laws, and promoting awareness can make our roads safer for everyone. Thank you.